Painfield in Everett has become one of the first airports in the country to roll out temperature check technology for passengers, all in effort, of course, to stop the spread of COVID-19. King 5's Kira Elfallen tells us about the new safety protocol.
So this technology is going to make it easier to protect passengers coming through the airport and also staff members from getting things like the coronavirus or the flu or other kinds of illnesses. So for the passengers here, they're some of the first in the country to be screened using this type of technology in an airport. So the technology developed by Athena Security is called the Elevated Body Temperature Detection System. It is non-invasive and non-contact and will let airport staff know if a passenger has a fever. So before getting to the TSA checkpoint, passengers will be screened with a thermal camera that reads their body temperature. Passengers flagged will then get another screening, and if they have a fever, the passenger and the airline will decide if they are okay to travel. Propeller Airport CEO Brett Smith says this is something other airports in the country should be looking to use as well.
We are trying to provide the safest environment that we can for our passengers. And we believe that, one of the lines of defense is to see if people have a temperature, but we found a way to do it in a form that passengers won't even know it's being done. And we're not collecting any data, we're not collecting any images.
This is just the latest technology to be rolled out here at the airport. Back in March, they actually started using UV rays to disinfect passenger areas and check-in kiosks. From Everett, I'm Kira Elfallen, King 5 News.
So that's up in Everett at Painfield. Right now, that tech is not being used at SeaTac, although the airport says they are taking several steps to keep everyone safe and healthy, including enforcing travel restrictions, directing passengers who have come in from certain areas to self-quarantine, changing the way that they clean the airport, and providing more hand sanitizer. Costco says it will begin requiring you to wear masks inside its stores starting Monday. It doesn't apply to children under 2 or anyone who can't wear a face covering because of a medical condition. But Costco already is limiting the number of people inside its stores, as many supermarkets are as well. New economic pain from the pandemic. The country's gross domestic product, the GDP, is taking a major hit, falling 4.8% in the first quarter, according to government numbers released today. Consumer spending, which drives about 2/3 of economic growth, has obviously plummeted, and the GDP decline is at its worst level since the fourth quarter of the 2008 financial crisis.